The Omicron scare continues to loom large in India after the tally of cases has increased to 21 now. Rajasthan has the highest number of cases at 9. They were confirmed after reports that the 9 patients came back of genomic sequencing. The state health department, in fact, has isolated the people who came in contact with the patients. In Maharashtra, 8 cases have been confirmed. 1 in Kalyan in Mumbai, 1 in Pune, 6 in Pimpri Chinchwad. A 44-year-old woman who arrived in Mumbai from Lagos in Nigeria has tested positive, along with 5 members of her family, of which 2 are children. Samples of 5,000 passengers who have arrived in the city is being sent for testing. Meanwhile, 107 people tested positive at residential school in Karnataka's Chikmagaluru, including students and teachers. Their samples have been sent to lab for genomic sequencing as well. The administration has put everyone in quarantine in a hospital. The country reported the first 2 cases of the new variant from Karnataka.
As of now, 8 cases of Omicron variant have been found in Maharashtra, out of which 6 cases are in Pimpri Chinchwad, 1 in Pune and 1 in Dombivli. In Pimpri Chinchwad, a lady with a history of foreign travel had tested positive and 5 of her relatives have also tested positive, out of which 2 are children. Maharashtra government said that most of the people who have been tested for this variant have fully vaccinated, but as of now they are trying to trace more contacts of these people, as the primary source of generation of this link of the Omicron variant is international travelers. BMC in Mumbai has already had a strict guidelines of home quarantine for foreign travelers coming from high-risk countries, in which for 7 days there will be a regular follow-up, doctor's checkup, and on 7th day they have to undergo RT-PCR test. This is to stop of the spreading of Omicron variant in Mumbai. With camera person Raju Revankar for India Today.
महाराष्ट्रात आज एकूण 8 ओमिक्रॉन रुग्ण आढळलेले आहेत. लक्षात घेतलं पाहिजे की याचं मूळ कारण हे देखील आहे की जे लोक आज बाधित झालेले ते सर्वच्या सर्व डबल वॅक्सिनेटेड आहेत. कदाचित त्याचा देखील एक चांगला हा परिणाम आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतो. जे 18 वर्षाची लहान मुलं 2 बाधित झालेले असतील त्यांना मात्र वॅक्सिनेट झालेले नव्हते.
9 people, including those members of a family who had returned to Jaipur from South Africa, being found positive for the Omicron variant of coronavirus, has sent the district administration into a tizzy. The attempt right now is to try to ensure that through contact tracing it is found out whether these people had come in contact with others or not, and to contain the spread of this variant, which is considered more transmissible than even the Delta variant of coronavirus. With Chetan Devankur Vadhavan in Jaipur, India Today.
गुजरात में ओमिक्रॉन का पहला केस आने के बाद अब प्रशासन जो है वो अलर्ट पर है. अहमदाबाद म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन के जरिए कुछ इस तरीके से जो बिना पैसे के जो कोविड टेस्टिंग है, ऐसे जो कैंप थे वो लगाने शुरू कर दिए गए हैं. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे कोविड टेस्टिंग, यानी किसी को भी शक हो, कहीं जुकाम हो या खांसी हो, वो लोग यहाँ पे टेस्टिंग के लिए आ सकते हैं. साथ ही यहाँ पे ही वैक्सीनेशन ड्राइव जो है वो भी शुरू कर दिया गया है, यानी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को वैक्सीन भी दिया जाए उसके भी प्रयास किए जा रहे हैं. क्योंकि जामनगर में पहला मामला आने के बाद करीब 86 लोगों को क्वारंटीन किया गया था. उसमें से जो 2 उनके रिश्तेदार थे, वो 2 रिश्तेदार अब पॉजिटिव आए हैं. उनके भी जीनोम सीक्वेंसिंग के लिए पूना की जो लैब है वहाँ पे उनके रिपोर्ट्स को भेजे गए हैं. तो वैसे में अब धीरे धीरे जो कोरोना के मामले हैं उसमें भी बढ़ोतरी हो रही है. अगर पिछले 24 घंटे की बात की जाए तो पिछले 24 घंटे में करीब 40 जितने कोरोना के नए मामले गुजरात में दर्ज हुए हैं. कैमरामैन उज्जवल ओझा के साथ गोपी घांगर, अहमदाबाद.
Meanwhile, top vaccine panel is going to be meeting. They are meeting over the decision on additional doses as Omicron cases continue to spike across states. The National Technical Advisory Group on Immunization is holding a meeting to discuss the additional dose, or the 3rd dose as they're calling it, and this is likely for immunocompromised individuals in India. The vaccine panel has called it an additional dose. This shot is going to be given to immunocompromised individuals when already administered vaccination doses are not providing adequate protection against the virus, more so because of waning immunity. Cancer, transplant patients, AIDS patients, among others, fall in this category as Omicron, remember, targets children in South Africa. It's been seen that children are falling ill. The vaccine panel is also going to be discussing the policy that they have drafted now for vaccinations in children. Mansukh Mandavia, the Union Health Minister, had said vaccine panel was deliberating on this matter of boosters or the third dose. Just a few days ago, Indian vaccine manufacturer Serum Institute had in fact approached the Drugs Controller General of India seeking an approval for Covishield for being used as a booster dose in the country.